Hey guys, so here's my first video in my parents' house. So today I'm kind of just wanting to do something really basic for lunch, so I think I'm gonna make me a bacon sandwich. So come on, let's get this done. Alright, so for this, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn my eye onto 6, so just kind of a medium high. Is I'm going to take my bacon and just kind of sprinkle it over the pan because I want to get this heated up, and the grease that comes off of it will work to grease the pan for me when I go to make my sandwich. And again, this is that maple bourbon bacon that we made. The bread I'm using is this oat nut Arnold bread, which is really good. This is my favorite bread now. And I'm just going to put some mayonnaise on my bread. Just a little. On each side. And we're just going to wait for my bacon to warm up. Alright, now that my bacon is starting to crisp up, I'm going to move it to the side, and I'm going to crack 1 egg to fry. We'll go ahead and turn my heat down to low. And I'm going to put a little bit of salt. I don't know how high. And a little bit of pepper. I'm just going to kind of spread it out just a little bit. because I want my yolk to be runny, so I don't, when I flip it, I don't want my yolk to be on there too long. Alright, so my eggs should be ready to flip. Make sure my bacon's not burning. I guess I should have put a little more oil on there for my egg. But you just want to get all the way under it. Wow, that didn't work. That's fine. It'll still be tasty. I'll go ahead and just mix it in with my egg, since it didn't want to cooperate. Okay. So now I'm gonna get my bread and just pile this on. Okay. Then I'll take my bread. Whew. Oh. Go ahead and let it toast on both sides. Probably gonna flip this one back over just a little bit, but this is a little too much filling for this bread. This is a smaller slice, a smaller loaf of bread, and I can keep forgetting that. All right, so let's give it another flip. Not wanting to toast like I want. There wasn't quite as much grease that came off my bacon as I was expecting. So I'm just gonna very lightly spray it with some Pam. And we'll do the same to this side. Just very light. Just keep kind of watching it. It's starting to fall apart. Alright, I'm going to turn my heat back up just a little, just to help it brown. But it should be just about done. I think it is done. Yeah. So I'm gonna pull my lid up here just a little so I can kind of pile this more in the middle where it's not gonna fall out anymore. And then I'm gonna take me some just regular pickles. lay them on top. And take me my shot of pickle juice. Oh, that's good. Put my lid back on. Check my other side, but I bet he's done. He is. Alright, so I'm not really going to show you my room yet because it's not unpacked, but let's try this sandwich. Here we go. That's a good sandwich. Alright, well, I hope y'all have enjoyed this. Trying to show you easy things to make for lunch that are light on the cost, but heavy on the flavor. Keep on loving the real world. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.